Welcome to our channel Barca Admirers. Let's discuss two of the most important transfer news in the recent media. The first news that we have on the table is Chelsea have reportedly joined Manchester United and Juventus in the race to sign Ousmane Dembele this summer. According to an exclusive report from Sport, FC Barcelona have stepped up their efforts to tie Ousmane Dembele down to a new contract. The club's hierarchy has been impressed with the progress the winger has made under Ronald Koeman, but with his contract expiring in 2022, they are now desperate to extend his deal. Dembele is happy in Catalonia as well, but has appeared reluctant to sign a new contract as he prefers a lucrative extension. It has put the likes of Chelsea, Manchester United and Juventus on red alert, knowing the player's indecision would lead to Barcelona cashing in on him this summer. Manchester United were primarily linked with a move for Dembele last summer as their desired alternative for top target Jadon Sancho. A move, though, failed to materialize with the attacker ending up remaining at the Camp Nou. However, we can expect the Red Devils to rekindle their interest in Dembele this summer as Ole continues his search for attacking reinforcements. The recent interest from Chelsea, though, could be a challenging one for Manchester United as the West London Giants do have the cash to burn despite the spending spree last summer. The Blues have enjoyed a lot of progress under Thomas Tuchel, which is sure to give additional inspiration to Roman Abramovich. From a sporting perspective, Chelsea do already have a packed attacking unit, but they have had issues with Hakim Ziyech, Timo Werner and Kai Havertz's lack of form, and it won't be surprising to see at least one of them leaving the club in the summer. It could ideally pave the way for someone like Ousmane Dembele to arrive at Stamford Bridge. Chelsea themselves could get a significant boost in this transfer pursuit as the player had initially made his Bundesliga debut under Tuchel. The Chelsea boss is well aware of the winger's skill set and knows how to extract the best out of him, and it could potentially be enough to convince Ousmane Dembele to switch to the Premier League in the summer and ahead of Manchester United, especially if Chelsea manage to offer a lucrative contract for the Barcelona superstar. Manchester United, though, won't go down without a fight, while Barcelona themselves will be trying their best in keeping hold of the Frenchman beyond this summer. The likely departure of Philippe Coutinho could greatly help them in that regard as the club seeks to balance the books following a disastrous financial year. And we have on the news is Arsenal and Tottenham are reportedly interested in signing Philippe Coutinho, valued at around 35 million euros by Barcelona this summer. According to a report by Transfer Market Web, Philippe Coutinho appears set to leave Barcelona in the summer transfer window, and a return to the Premier League would be likely, with Arsenal and Tottenham plotting to swoop the Brazilian playmaker away from the Nou Camp. Philippe Coutinho was in seventh heaven when he sealed his dream move to Barcelona in January 2018, and he made an instant impact at the Nou Camp as the Blaugrana ended the 2017-18 season on a strong note. However, things soon turned pear-shaped for the Brazilian international, who started struggling to impact games. After a horrendous 2018-19 campaign, he was hauled off on loan to Bayern Munich, where he put in a decent shift before returning to Barcelona last summer. So far this season, though, Coutinho has been unable to make a case for himself due to a long-term knee injury which restricted him to just 792 minutes of action. The 28-year-old, though, could leave Barcelona and is on the radar of Arsenal and Tottenham now. Arsenal's interest in Coutinho appears to be quite straightforward, with the Gunners intent on landing a number 10 in the summer transfer window. Following Ozil's departure, Emile Smith-Rowe and Martin Odegaard have stepped up admirably through the middle, with the Gunners now keen on signing the latter permanently from Real Madrid. However, the pursuit of Odegaard is extremely complicated, with Real Madrid likely to charge a hefty sum for him, while Liverpool have recently emerged as a viable alternative to Arsenal for him. Coutinho is therefore a feasible target for Arsenal, although they now face competition from local rivals Tottenham Hotspur in his pursuit. Spurs' keenness to sign Coutinho might not be unfounded, with Dele Alli continuing to face an uncertain future at the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. If the Englishman ends up leaving, a space could open up in the Jose Mourinho squad, one that can easily be filled by the Barcelona playmaker. It does appear like Barcelona are set to cash in on Coutinho, who will in turn embark on a new adventure in the summer transfer window. Available for around 35 million euros, Coutinho will not make a huge hole in either Arsenal or Tottenham's pockets either. Having said that, it is Arsenal who are seriously considering a move for the 28 years old Brazilian playmaker, with Tottenham simply monitoring his situation as of now. With that in mind, it will be interesting to see what the future has in store for Coutinho. Now do like the video and post your valuable comments about both the transfer news in the comment section below. Share the video with the Blaugrana friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Barca Admirers and press the bell icon for more notifications. We are also announcing a giveaway for 2 of our subscribers when we complete 1000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Thank you, Vizca Barca.